Welcome. My name is Regina, and this is my YouTube channel show. Today I'm going to be reviewing a food subscription service. This one is called EveryPlate. EveryPlate is one of the newer services, and the good news is it runs about $4.99 a serving, whereas the regular, most of them run about $10 per serving. So you're looking at $29.99 for a week's worth of meals compared to generally 60. Now I'm gonna add to that this one, EveryPlate charges you shipping, whereas others include the shipping. So it really runs close to 40 a week in comparison to 60. So it's still a third cheaper. So that's a good thing. Now they generally have, you can pick from 5 meals a week, and you choose your 3 out of that. And to me, I've tried Home Chef before, and the meals to me look like they're fairly comparable to what you would expect out of Home Chef. So they're nice and enticing, something you might want to have for dinner, a nice meal. So now I want to say this is my first box, but it's not actually my first box. When they first came out, they had run an ad on Facebook, and I saw the little ad, and so I said, well, since I'm doing the food box reviews, I'm going to try that. And being real, my first box, one of the gel packs was damaged while it was being transported, so everything was messed up. It was not usable. But on the brighter side, their customer service is absolutely awesome. And it's taken me a while to get back to it, mostly because it's summer and it was just too hot to cook. So anyway, we're back to cooking, and I'm gonna review the EveryPlate and what's in the box. Now, it came in last night, and it was a little bit too late to film it last night, so it's not a true unboxing since I've already taken it out, mostly because I didn't want my food to spoil. But I want to show you how it comes, how it's packed, and what you can expect out of EveryPlate. Okay. First, it's a nice big box. It's well packed. Let's see if I can get a good view on that. Then you open the box, and okay, this is the packing material. Insulation is well insulated. On the top, okay, the first thing they have, they sent me three deals that I can give to a friend. $20 off your first delivery. That makes it a pretty good deal. And see, my first delivery, I got a good deal too. So that's what enticed me to try that. So, and anyway, once you sign up to the subscription service, you can share your code with your friends and family, and if they sign up with your code, then they get the $20 off their first delivery, and the person who referred you also gets $20 off another delivery. Okay, the next thing they have, one thing that I like about EveryPlate is they give you a sheet of nutrition information. It's got your calories, and if you need to watch your carbs, your cholesterol, your fat, it gives you all that information, including some of the different vitamins and protein that you expect out of the meal. So that's a good thing for if you've got certain things you need to watch on your diet. You've got the information on your meals. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I chose. Okay, the first, okay, lemony chicken cutlets. They list the ingredients, what they send, and then on the back they give you the step-by-step instructions on how to prepare the meal. And they also tell you what you need. Like this one, you need some butter and vegetable oil. So they include most of the main ingredients, they expect you to have just a general kitchen setup, the basics. I chose Hoisin pork stir fry. Now this one's a little bit spicy, heat spicy, and since I don't do heat, I will adjust that. And you can, if you have any dietary things you have to consider, you can of course adjust since you do your own cooking. Okay, and the last I chose steak and potatoes with Montreal style spices and creamy kale. Now, one thing with the meals, and I learned my first delivery with Home Chef, I honestly thought that these meals would be like a really quick, get in the kitchen real quick and you've cooked real quick. But actually, I found that I spent more time than I expected cooking. But I also found out that I was learning new things in the kitchen. So since my first delivery with the other, I've tended to look at the meals with an eye to, well, you know, this is something I'm not really comfortable making, or I don't know how to make it, and maybe I will get the meal because choose that, make that choice, because then I'll have everything I need set out, and I'll also have step-by-step instructions on how to make the meal. And I've never in my life had any Canadian food, so that's what appealed to me on this, is to try a Canadian style meal. And the Hoisin pork stir fry, whereas I have cooked some Asian food, this is a recipe I've never tried before. So anyway, that'll be interesting, that'll be fun. And that's one thing that I have enjoyed about the meal subscriptions is as opposed to saying, well, they're going to do all my shopping and all my planning. I look at it more as they've really bumped up my skills in the kitchen just a little bit. So I've enjoyed that. Okay, now let's look at what we got in the box. Now, one thing, like I said, EveryPlate is cheaper than some of the others, so they do it a little bit different. When you see if I can get it where you can see. Okay, they throw it in there like if you went to the grocery store, and that's fine with me because they're like $5 cheaper per meal, per serving. That's okay with me. I can go with that. Okay, now what do they do? Okay, now I've got a bag of kale for my recipe. I'm just showing you kind of. I'm not going to pull every single thing out. The rice and the couscous are packed for what I need for the meal. So that is actually convenient. I got some green onions, and the produce looks pretty good. No, the carrots are loose, but they're nice big plump carrots. They're good looking carrots. The cabbage is already sliced for the stir fry meal. Okay, now the small the spices and things like sour cream, the things that you may need just a small amount of, seasonings, bouillon. Looks like they've even got a plug of ginger in there. Anyway, all of this is packed together in a bag. And I think the first, I want to say, I'm not certain they did that earlier, but anyway, the small little individual packets are all packed together, so that's convenient. Okay, now I've got potatoes, potatoes and parsley. The potatoes look good. The parsley looks good. Let's see. Red onions and lemons and then there's more of the potatoes and onions and the shallot. I'm not going to hold up every single potato and onion or carrot. Anyway, you know what that is. Now, They divide, one thing that's kind of nice, they put a divider in there that separates the vegetables from the meat. So, and also separates the ice so so everything travels, it travels better. They use little ice packs like this. They use, and actually that's not all the ice pack they do. Let me get this out of my lap and I'll show you the other. They have the small ice packs, and then they have a large ice pack that they put in between to keep everything fresh. And they use more, depending on the time of year they pack for the season. Now, at the bottom of everything, they pack the meat. And I'll show you that. Okay, we've got ground pork. Now I took this out last night because I knew I wasn't going to film until today, and I plan to eat this stuff. Ground pork, beef sirloin steak. Let's see, I'm turning it around so you can see what it looks like. It looks real good. And chicken cutlets. Okay, that's about it. And anyway, that's what's in the box. And this I got this with my own introductory offer. Like I said, the first I had ordered early before, and it did not arrive properly or usably. So they customer service took care of this, and this is my first box I can actually use. And they've been in business for a while. I jumped on it as soon as I found out they were in business. So anyway, it could be they were having a few growing pains. Anyway, there's a good amount of groceries for the money. I'm happy with that, and I've got new things to try, and I'm happy with that. So I think that's about it on EveryPlate. The next thing I'm going to do is put these groceries away and see what I can cook for dinner. Now, there's a link. If you're on YouTube, there's going to be I'll have a link underneath the video so that you can, with the discount code in it, so you can get the discount too if you like it. And that's it for now. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my stuff, go ahead and hit subscribe. And until next time, have a good day and